How to get a refund on AliExpress without returning the item. So if you want to get a refund on AliExpress without returning the item, then let's get started. The first step is to open up your AliExpress app or website and then log into your AliExpress account and go to My Orders. Go with account at first, which is on the bottom, and then you need to go with My Orders section right here. Go with View All, which is on the right side. Find the item you're not happy with. Then click Open Dispute. Tap on the order and scroll down. You'll see a button that says Open Dispute. Just click on it to begin the refund process. Then you need to choose Refund without return. When asked what you want, select Refund only, not Return and Refund. Then choose the reason, like item not as described or item damaged, and then add proof if needed. Upload photos or videos showing the issue. This helps your case and speed up the process. Next, you need to submit and wait for the seller response. Once submitted, the seller has a few days to respond. If they don't reply or you disagree, AliExpress will step in and usually resolve it within 5 or 10 days. And that's how you can request a refund on AliExpress without returning the item. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.